Hi, my name is Inez Simpson and I'm talking about Simpson Protocol right here on the SP page. Well, I'm here in Australia right now and we've just been having trainings. We did one in Melbourne, we did one in Perth, and we're now headed to Brisbane and Cairns after that. Oh, we did one in Perth? Yeah. And we're headed to Auckland, New Zealand. That's really exciting for me because I haven't been to New Zealand before. So this is what it's all about. And every time we go out to teach, be it here, be it in Europe, be it going to Brazil in November, Dubai, all these places, there's new ideas happen, new things, because people are different cultures, they're different things. Everything happens and it's awesome. I learn so much every time I teach. Every single time it gets better. So here we go. We're going for a few months, and in mid-July I'll be home. And I know I talked to everybody about experimenting, and everybody that's doing SP, please move it forward, all that. But we are going to get to more experimentation together, and we're also bringing out the new programs. It'll be probably done as soon as we get home. Martin's been working hard at it. We're bringing out, Kaz Riley and I are doing sectional program for SP, and that'll be, it's going to be really interesting, and it's going to make working with these situations much easier. So we're also going to bring out the weight loss program. Also, I think we refined the health program a little bit. And what else are we doing, Martin? Oh, we're really gotten into thinking about sleep and how we can add it in to each session, because people just aren't sleeping right anymore. They're not getting the right sleep, they're not getting the deep sleep, they're not getting, and then we have people wandering around with fibromyalgia, people walking around with disease of some sort. So I think it's going to be, we're just working on it, Martin and I right now, and then we're going to put it out there. So we sort of always have it out as a beta so that everybody can give their little 2 bits worth and say, well, I don't know if I agree with that, or I think this should be added, or whatever. We're open. And we really need to be, because I think SP needs to move forward because it's so needed. So what have we been experimenting with lately? I've really been experimenting a lot with support. We don't know exactly where to go, but I have been told that it's the next frontier, and we are exploring the mind, and we're exploring the body, mind, and spirit. It's a whole unit. This is a holistic program, body, mind, and spirit. So to do that, you need to experiment in everywhere and everything. So we're going to talk to you more about that in mid-July. So just a reminder, the weight loss, many of us are probably doing it by itself already. We're just doing basic SP and adding in our own stuff. So what is this all about? It's just going to be the same thing, just for telling people how to do it if they wanted a little more hands up or a little more questions or whatever. It's just a rounding up. I've been addressing everything with SP forever. So it's just putting it down so you understand how it goes for everything, forever. Now you're wondering maybe why Kaz and I are doing that sexual program, because I think it's maybe really important. That's why. I think, understand that sex underlies everything in our life. Our relationships are very important in it. And now with the LGBTQ plus community and all the stuff we're doing about it, it's time for us to learn the talk, how we speak about it, how we talk about it, how we help people in all those areas. So that's what's coming. Getting back to the sleep thing, I think it's important to add it to everything, because we are out of normal way we sleep. There's so much communication now, there's everything global, everything's that we have less and less sleep, and less of quality sleep. Now, a lot of people, when you see Trump or someone saying, oh gee, I'll live on 5 hours sleep, and yes, we can tell. Little joke, sorry. So understand that it's not a great thing to only get 4 or 5 hours sleep. You are not going to be working in an optimum way in anything. And we develop disease because we don't sleep enough, we don't sleep right, And insomnia is just the start of it. It's only the beginning. The research is out there, and we're really having to look at it and figure things out. And the questions are coming. Ultimately, we're asking quite a lot of telepathic questions these days, and if you're not, you are missing out on a lot of SP. So if you want to know something, like is this person getting the ideal sleep? You don't even want to bring it up in consciousness yet. You just want to know if it should be added to the program. So you say it in your head and you get yes, and then you ask those 2 questions or 3 questions in there. It takes you a minute or 2. So understand that this does not have to be an earth-shaking thing. You're changing it. We can actually just address their sleep patterns for them and help them, because it's attached to every session you do, really. So if you're not a practitioner of SP, you can still come to Brisbane, and you can still come to Cairns or Auckland. We'll be in Brazil in the fall. We're going to be in Dubai. So anyway, just look on the page. It'll tell you where we are. But if you understand that SP is all-encompassing and all is something I use for everyone, the people that are certified practitioners of SP, they use it 100% of the time, well, maybe 98% of the time. So let's say you have somebody who comes in who can only attain light hypnosis for some reason. You do have other tools in your pocket. But remember that SP is all about the holisticness and using the whole program for each thing. And it doesn't have to take long. I think when I first started doing SP, it was when I was doing it all by myself, it was a couple of hours, because I had to fight my way through of learning how to do it myself and all the other things. Now it's much, much faster. And second sessions are going faster and faster and faster. So come and join us, have a look, read about it, ask me questions.